A new state law says men no longer have to make child support payments if they discover the child is not theirs. Now, for years, this has not been the case. KHOU 11 News reporter Jeff McShann met a man who owes more than $50,000, even though he is not the father.
Frustrated to say the least, Houstonian Ray Thomas gave us a call looking for help.
They've been taking my income tax.
Thomas claims he's a victim of mistaken paternity. In 1986, a woman he was dating had a baby and told Thomas it was his. In fact, he thought so too, until
the resemblance, the looks.
The little girl's hair started to turn red. Thomas says he went to court numerous times trying to clear things up, but he told us the judge wouldn't hear it. That's because up until this month, reversing a mistaken paternity case had been nearly impossible. Cheryl Alcindor is a family law attorney.
It had been an issue because it's not fair. On one hand, DNA can clear a defendant of a crime years later, but it didn't seem to be fair to not be able to clear a man, quote unquote, clear a man of paternity.
But times are changing. This year, the Texas legislature unanimously voted to change the law. It is already on the books. DNA proof can reverse parental rights.
Now, with the passing of this law, a man who's not the father can now sort of be free of that title.
But we learned the new legislation will not help Thomas because his case is old and the courts are looking not backwards but forward. And the Attorney General's office confirmed for us that Thomas still must pay $52,000 in back child support. $13,000 of that is interest. And listen to this, he's being billed, even though he and his suspected daughter paid $450 for their very own DNA test. The results?
And it will say 0% to daddy.
Thomas took the DNA results to court, but the judge, he says, wouldn't accept it.
I don't even understand. The judge can just give you a baby that ain't yours.
He doesn't understand how the state of Texas can still take part of every one of his paychecks. Jeff McShann, KHOU 11 News.